Hi there everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically update your drivers for Windows. And one of the biggest problems that people face is figuring out how to keep their hardware devices up to date. And the problem is that new drivers are released constantly. It can be really hard to stay on top of each new release. There's lots of reasons why drivers are continually updated, whether they're computer bugs or sometimes viruses will use security loopholes to sort of spawn spyware and virus attacks. One of the best ways actually people ask me is how to prevent spyware and viruses, and I say make sure all your software and hardware are up to date and have the latest drivers. And other times devices just don't work correctly. Whether a certain device doesn't have sound or a printer isn't working, USB not functioning, typically the answer is because they don't have up-to-date drivers. And, finding these on your own is a really difficult task. This is even worse for people who might have just reformatted their system and lost all their drivers and have to update everything. And it can be a real pain in the neck to search for those drivers and match them to your specific system specifications. If you don't, the device will not only work, it can cause crashing, freezing, blue screens, all that nasty stuff. So, for folks who are lazy like me and want a simple solution, there's what is called driver update software. It basically performs a full scan of your machine and updates your drivers with a click of the mouse. The whole process will just take a couple minutes. So what we'll do here is go to the website www.driver-update-software.com. And this is going to take us to a website where we will have a free scan with driver update software through here, and you're just going to save the file. Now I already actually have this file installed, so I'm not going to save it and install it now. And here's the software. Now as soon as you open it, the first thing it does is identifies your machine. Mine is a custom built machine, and here it just kind of says what it does. It automatically updates missing out-of-date drivers, gives you access to a database of millions of different device drivers, gives customer support, all that jazz. And we're just gonna do a scan here, full system scan, and here it's scanning our system scan, and here are the results. As you can see, it lists the drivers that are up to date, out of date, hardware devices that have no drivers at all, and then it puts them in categories here: data drivers, DVD, monitors, mice, network adapters, sound, video, just whatever kind of driver you can imagine. And then simply, if we want to update them, just click here, and it starts the download and begins to update your drivers. So that's really all there is to it. It's probably the best and easiest way to keep your drivers updated. Not only just to find all the drivers you need, but it'll continually keep them updated to make sure that your hardware devices are working properly and keeps your computer secure from different types of hackers, spyware, viruses, that sort of thing. So once again, the website is www.driver-update-software.com. Visit there, get a free scan, and get your drivers up to date. Alright, good luck to you.